Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking deck or patio furniture and more. Decorations, umbrella, grill, etc. And we just purchased a bunch of stuff from Amazon. We're going to open it up, lay it out, display it, and see how it looks. Let's take a look. DIYers, we're outside now, and down below in the comments and description are going to be several helpful links, as well as links on where to purchase the items in today's video. And one of which is installing a garden hose mount to the external portion of your wall. In addition, we just upgraded to the Richard Karn pocket hose, and what a significant difference in amount of space it takes up. However, let's continue back to the deck, and hopefully the wind stays calm throughout the video. We just got done painting our deck, and it is now dry, and it is time to add all of our deck items and furniture. DIYers, here we are on the deck. We started with the grill. And down below in the comments and description section will be links again on all of the items in today's video, including this grill and the grill mat. And that grill mat is awesome. It's going to alleviate any grease from making direct contact with the deck, and that will alleviate us having to constantly clean up grease. And in addition, it's going to alleviate leg imprints in the paint, and that's important. So again, that's the first item, and we will continue. However, we need to make our way to the front portion of our house, and as you can see, we are starting to get some wind, so we will hopefully continue. And let's go to the front portion. We just had our rug delivered yesterday, and in addition, out on this side, we've got our DIY Raptor, aka our channel brand and logo, and there's the rug. Back to the deck, I have unwrapped or removed the rug from the plastic wrapping or packaging, and let's see how it looks. Up on the deck and beginning to unwrap the rug, here's some information. It may or may not be helpful to you, but I want to show it to you. And I like that. Here it is, fully unwrapped and laid out. And again, 9x12. And in this corner right here will be the umbrella, as well as the water weights and stand for the umbrella. We are making progress. Next up is the umbrella. We just pulled this out of the garage, and we are going to fill each of the 4 base weights with water. Back to the deck, making progress. All 4 base weights are full of water and weighing down the base of the umbrella and stand. And before I open up the umbrella, I'm going to grab the table and chairs. We have now placed the table and chairs on the rug, and as far as this table set, it is an 8 top. However, there's not 8 in our immediate family, so we only pull out 6 chairs. And when guests come over, we pull out the 2 additional chairs. Taking a step back, and as far as the size of the table, it is 3 feet by 5 feet. Actually, a little over 3 feet by a little over 5 feet. And 9x12 for the rug. And as far as the measurement and size of each of the table and rugs, the chairs on either side of the table, as well as ends, will be able to be pulled out and remain on the rug to alleviate scratches to our freshly painted deck. The umbrella is now extended out and doing its best to cover the table, and it's a large umbrella, as you see. And on the underside is LED lighting and solar powered from up top, as you see. And there is an on-off switch in here, and this is really nice. And coming to the on-off switch right there, and doubt the lights will work. The umbrella has been inside the garage, inside the cover, all winter long, and I like it. And again, down below in the comments and description will be links to all of the items in this video. The rug, the grill mat, table set, chairs, umbrella, and base, and additional videos. As you see, here is a different view of it. And the cool thing about that umbrella is we can move it left to right, we can raise it, a lot of different positions for that umbrella. Very nice. Making our way off the deck and DIYers, that's it. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That'd be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And it is supposed to rain today. And, well, that'll help wash the table. And rain is here. And, well, basically cleaning the table. Rug, umbrella cover, and everything else.